Hello, my name is Eric Roeder, and I work in business development for Codilation. My team of elite nerds is dedicated to helping turn big ideas into first customers. Building apps and helping develop new businesses allows me to meet amazing people. These people are doing amazing things in our tech community and my actual community of Fargo, North Dakota. I wanted to start a platform to help business leaders and other great people in our community tell their story. Connecting with amazing people is my job. Welcome to my office. My guests this week are Angela Hasbrouck and Karsyn Wendt. They both work for Family Wellness, and on top of being an amazing gym, Family Wellness does a lot of different things to make our community stronger. One of those programs is Healthy Kids Cooking. We're going to talk a little bit more about Healthy Kids Cooking and the fundraising, hybrid cooking fundraiser that they have coming up this week. All right. Welcome, Internet. After quite a journey of rescheduling and now 3 takes, we're fighting against COVID, and I'm here with my delightful guests, Karsyn Wendt and Angela Hasbrouck. We'll get into why you guys are here in a little bit, but can you first talk a little bit about yourself, and we'll start with Karsyn.
Yeah. Hello. As Eric mentioned, my name is Karsyn. I have been with Family Wellness for about 2 years now. I work as the Community Wellness and Development Coordinator, which means I get to do a lot of fun stuff involving our community members, our members at Family Wellness, different programming that we do, and I love every bit of it.
Hi, that's awesome. And Angela?
Yes, I've been at Family Wellness for 8 years. I'm the assistant director, and so I get to work with all of our programs and development, so working not only with our leaders internally for programs, but working with community members to do programs to inspire healthy lifestyles in the community.
Oh, I like that. And you both work for Family Wellness, and not a lot of people realize that it's more than just like a big, awesome gym. You guys are doing kind of a lot to make our community better. And one of those things is Healthy Kids Cooking. And so, Karsyn, can you talk a little bit about what that is?
Of course. As we mentioned, we are more than a gym. We're also a nonprofit. And through that, we have what's called our Inspire Wellness Initiative, which allows us to do programming that helps people cook well, move well, and live well for life, which comes in the healthy cooking portion.
Yes.
So we have different things like our cooking programs and cooking classes that we do at the facility, but we also get to go out into the community into 4th and 5th grade classrooms, all elementary schools in Fargo, West Fargo, and Moorhead, and teach healthy cooking to 4th and 5th graders.
And I love that.
Yes.
That was something that I didn't have in middle school, you know.
Yeah.
And I think that's a big, good step that you're taking. And you have a little competition coming up with this, don't you? Can we talk a little bit about that?
We sure do. So, as I mentioned, we go and we teach healthy cooking, and we thought it would be kind of cool after teaching all of this to these kids to kind of send out this opportunity to them. So we are holding a sort of chopped style competition at Family Wellness.
Love it.
Our Healthy Kids Cooking competition. We have 9 finalists who all got ready, made their own original recipes, sent them in to us, and all got accepted and are so excited. Yeah. So we'll have them October 10th at our facility competing and cooking, learning, showing off their skills, and yeah, just having fun.
That's awesome. And I think teaching healthy cooking is super important. And realistically, I've had more meals at home this year than probably ever. And I need to level up how healthy I cook. And I kind of made a business chart this week going over like just my healthy cooking. And so this is my 2020 meals. And you can see like, this is the yikes healthy meter. And so like, this was my nutrition, and then like this was where I would like eat cartons of goldfish in the doldrums of March, and I'm trying to get better, and these are the meals that I would make at home, and that went way up because you just, I'm scared of going to fast food now, and that's good, but I have to take a step up to get a little more. Oh no, we're breaking things mid-show. Maddie, please come back from vacation.
Balancing act.
We'll have the technical difficulty cat come back, and he'll be just fine. So yeah, again, healthy cooking. It sounds like a cause that we should kind of as a community get behind. And so to do that, we kind of have a unique event coming up. Can you talk about the Cooking for a Cause Gourmet Gala?
I would love to. So, being that we have our Healthy Kids Cooking Competition on October 10th, we would love to recognize the junior chef winners that not only were finalists, but also the winners. And so, we are holding our first ever gala.
I love it.
And it's really supporting all of our programs to help people cook well, move well, live well for life. It's a hybrid event this year, of course, thanks COVID.
Of course.
So there will be some in-person attendance, but we are inviting the community at large to join us virtually. And what's going to happen is people can register for a ticket and get a meal kit to do at home.
Oh, cool.
So the kids are going to help you at home learn how to do this meal kit, and you as a family can do an activity together.
Oh, I love that. So, like, if, let's say there was someone like me or someone who wanted to, like, heroically eat food to help children, how would you get a ticket, or how do you sign up for one of these meals?
This is exactly what we're here for. We're
Right.
here to help people eat good food, support an awesome cause. You can visit us at our website at familywellnessfargo.org and
Perfect.
go to the Inspire Wellness Initiative tab and get tickets there.
And usually I'd be very confident at this point in the show, say, Maddie, can you just put that in the thing? But I'm doing the editing and she's on vacation and I'm stressing out, but I'll watch a bunch of YouTube videos and we'll get it. So yeah. So each week we ask this, and it's going to be multifaceted this week. Karsyn, is there anything we can do, or our audience can do, to help Healthy Kids Cooking?
Yeah, of course. So I think our biggest thing is just supporting the kids. Like we said, we're not able to be in the schools with them this year, unfortunately.
Right.
However, a huge part of it is, like we said, healthy cooking, not only healthy eating. So teaching them, supporting them, whether that's through cooking as a family, delegating jobs and all doing it together, encouraging your kids to eat healthy foods or try new options, or getting a ticket and watching virtually, supporting the kiddos who are at the competition and working towards these goals and confidence.
Yes, and so Angela, is there anything that we can do as a community then to help with the gala?
Yes, so that, like I said, the gala is Thursday, November 5th, and so if you purchased a ticket prior to November 1st, you can have the meal kits to take home with your family, and so get the kits, learn how to cook healthfully together, and then support family wellness to inspire healthy lifestyles in our community.
And this should air in plenty of time to do this, and I'm excited to I'm just sign up myself. Here we go, let's change my chart.
Here's the secret, the recipe is healthy burrito bowls.
Jeez. Oh, that's one of my
can't go
other.
wrong there.
I love burritos so much. So, yeah. So, the camera shut off with about a minute left of this episode, and this isn't anything new to us, but Maddie usually fixes it, and the crack production team of me and Suman were not as able to figure it out. I'm here at my house, and I'm editing the best I can. See if you can figure out where the camera shuts off. We're wrapping things up a little bit. Nerd question time. I was creeping on your guys' Facebooks. You're both Harry Potter fans. If they were going to remake the Harry Potter movies, who would you be cast as? And we'll start with Angela.
Oh gosh, I don't know. I think I'm not smart enough to be Hermione, but I would definitely want to be in all the shenanigans that the three main characters do. So, you can try me for Harry Potter.
Oh, wow. Role reverse. I like that. And Karsyn?
You know, I too like the shenanigans, but I think I'd call myself a Hermione.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
And so this is probably my favorite nerd question ever because I've just been spinning all week. And my solution for myself is I would like Parent Trap Lindsay Lohan, and I would be Fred and George Weasley. And I would just like make fun of myself. I think I would actually be pretty good at being a twin with myself and getting into mischief, as long because we are all kind of about mischief, which is interesting. But nerd questions mean it's kind of time to wrap things up. Is there anything else?
I don't think so. Thanks for having us on and
thank
sharing
you.
your story.
Yes, we filmed this in February?
Yes.
And the whole thing was done, and then there was a noticeable pandemic. So
We appreciate the continued support.
I'm glad you guys could come back, and I'm glad that we're learning how to take steps to get better. And this is an awesome program, and so thanks for stopping out, and thanks for making us healthier as a community, and have a good week, everyone.
Thanks.
Thank you.
All right, 5th time's a charm, right, Suman?